Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, so we've had a few questions in iron shirt training, the fundamental theory, what it's about. When you're doing iron shirt, your primary goal is to increase sensitivity to energy. So it's a qualitative change to start with. So you start with the wooden rods, or when you slap the surface. I don't want to thud with the feelings I hit the bone. I want to bring the energy and cup the energy and bring it up to the surface so my skin goes red. What this does is it makes me feel more. So when you vital breathe through the skin that's been stimulated, you feel more vital energy in the area that you stimulated. So when you use the wooden dowels that are connected to a handle and you lightly tap yourself, you're massaging the skin to increase sensitivity. You combine that with your whole body vital breathing, you're building the ball, you start to feel energy around your body as your circulation wakes up. So this is the first step. Now, once you've got that feeling, you've started to develop the sensitivity to your protective chi, to your iron shirt. Through that sensitivity, you determine where the chi in the body is blocked, where the chi in the body is strong, and then you balance the chi throughout the body. So you balance your protective chi. You massage the whole body and move through every region of the body, stimulating, feeling, and balancing the energy. So you give yourself a self-massage. Once you've balanced the energy and you have an overall feeling of well-being and you feel stimulated through the self-massage, through the iron shirt exercises, then you move to the steel wires. And when you're tapping with the steel wires, you ensure that the wires are quite well spread to start with, so that it starts moving into the middle layers of fascia. So from the skin, it starts going deeper into the muscle and facial web. And then as you tap, you have a few different methods. Some people just do more of a limp type of dead fish type of method as they massage. Other people will tune the fascia to life force, relax, hang the muscle and tap, so they get the energy to glow and get stimulated. And then other people will have more of a martial, they'll make the body strong and they'll hit much harder. Now, I'm more of an advocate of stimulating more life force and tuning the body to life force as you massage, so you feel more. After you've been doing this for a few months, you're going to find yourself massaging much harder and getting pleasure out of it. So you'll be hitting with the wires at quite a high degree of strength in it, and it's going to feel really, really good. And your body is going to feel strong. Your protective chi will start emanating and glowing. Your immune system will be stimulated, and it'll be going through those muscle fascial layers and then going into the bone. When you get to massaging the bone, you're going to find that your life force and marrow will start to stimulate. And this is where the really strong health benefits start to come, where you feel really, really good. So if you train iron shirt, recognize the levels. It is pointless just to smash your body without feeling. It's not iron shirt. You have to feel the skin. You've got to breathe, whole body pore breathe, and then stimulate more of this life force, slowing it down into chi while you massage your body with the iron shirt rod. Okay, I hope this helps with your Qigong journey, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.